Here's another little art towel. This is by Arkansas artist Shane Beck, and I call it Dragon in the Hourglass. It's a little green dragon, and he looks like he's in an hourglass, and there's goo dripping down. It's got great color on it. It's about 14 by 26 inches, and it's on a linen cotton canvas. It was custom printed on fabric for us by Spoonflower, and then we made the towel. You can hear the crispness of the fabric. And there's the tagging on there with Shane's name on it. And here's what it looks like folded in half. And there's the other side. And it's just a fun piece of artwork that can be useful in your home, in your kitchen or your bathroom, and children would like it too. Just a lot of fun. That's it now, and that's Dragon in the Hourglass, and bye-bye.